Yes, we can see again in this styling the tables. So this particular table data is there, right? So this one from this point to this point, okay, this data is there. This is a program, complete program it is. So this program is going to be, okay, this program is going to be written, is going to be written, and one of the style that you will be going to apply for that, that is for the table only you will be going to apply. This is going to be written in the style, okay, styles you will be going to write it. So this table you are applying with the border solid 1 point black. So this is the thickness, okay, solid is the thickness of that line, and it is in the black. You can write the colors over here, number of thickness, how much that it is required, you can write that one here. Then you have here there is a solid dotted, there are so many attributes are there for the border. Those things also you can able to write it. According to that you can see the outputs, okay. So this is one format for this style. So this another second style, it is going to be table border. This same thing, it is being written. So border is there. Then after for the TD, border is solid 1 point black. Now you see the difference between this and this table, okay, from this table and this table. Reason is very simple. Here only one block is there, there is a border is there. Here after the block, that there is a individual cells that you will be going to have the border, okay. So there is also solid 1 point black is there. So it is individually the tables data is being created, the block has been created, okay, border has been created for that. Third point, you can see table border solid 1 point black as usual, normal it is. Then border collapse, border hyphen collapse is there. Now between this and this if you see, okay, so you can able to see that collapse equal to collapse is there. So individual columns, what we can say, cells were there, that is collapsed, and you can able to see the proper output over here, okay. So again the border is solid 1 point black, so that you can able to see. So it is nothing but what we can say is individual blocks is being collapsed, the blocks have been collapsed, and you can see the proper output, okay, proper styling of the. So this is what the styling is going to be. Some people are going to like this, some people are liking this, some people will going to like this. So it is different, it depends upon the people eyes, okay, whatever they like they'll be going to say for us. So like that you have to create, okay. So this is another format where the table border is going to be same, collapse is there, so properly it is been written. Then there is a padding is there here, one extra thing that is been added in this padding is 10 point. Now what is this padding is 10 point, okay. Padding, here it is padding is there, here it is spacing is there. Padding means in between the border, okay, individual cell border it is going to be. So from here it is 10 point, 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 okay. From here it is 10 point, 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 okay. It's a padding, okay. And here it is spacing is there in between the cells, okay. The spacing is going to be provided in between the cells, spacing is provided in between this cell, spacing is provided for everything, from here also, from here also. So everywhere that space is provided, this is for table, not for the table data, table complete table it is going to be, okay. So hence everywhere that you can able to see, not only here in this particular cell, everywhere that you can able to see that the space is going to be provided, 10 point space is provided, okay, fine. This is another format, okay. Another way of styling it is a table is there. Font size 0.8 em. Font family is Arial, Helvetica, Sans Serif. Border collapse is collapse. Border top, this is border. Border top is 4 pixel solid, some color name that it is being given here. Okay. Then after border bottom, 1 pixel solid white. Because of this white, you are unable to see the line. Border bottom, you are unable to see it because of this white. Okay, because of this white you cannot able to see it here. Then after, there's a text align left is there. So these are all the properties of table. It is okay. So text align is going to be left. So you can see everywhere that is left aligned it is going to be. Okay, fine. Then this caption is there here. For this caption, it has been done. What is that? Font weight is bold, so bold way that it is being displayed here. Then after, padding is there 0.25, space is provided here. Okay, space is provided, and here 0.5. so all the corners that it is going to start here. Okay, top, left, right, bottom and right. Okay, so then here the text align is going to be left again here also. Okay, if you make it a center also, this will come in the center. All right, so whatever that, so here it is going to be left, it is there, so left you can able to see. Then text transform is there uppercase, so all the data whatever it is present in this caption, everything is in uppercase. Even if you write smaller case, converts to uppercase. Border top 1 pixel, so here this is this one. Okay, so here it is, you can able to see this top. Border top 1 pixel solid, some color, that is this particular color that it is being mentioned in this. Okay, so you can mention this format is going to be, it is like a, already you have seen that color how you can write it in RGB color. You can write with the that all the colors, color name only directly you can able to write. So okay, these things, this way that you can able to style the tables. Okay. It looks good, basically it looks good over there. This is another format where the padding is going to be present here. So you can able to see that here the background T head, only for the T head it is going to be. Now you can see specific. Okay, T head it is being specified here. Okay, so T head is being specified, and T head you can able to see here. Here TR. Okay, for this background color is this color. So this color is going to be some that which color that it is being specified here. You can specify your own colors. Okay, the specific colors you can able to, you can take this one, this colors from the color palette also you can take it. Okay, this number is going to be fetched from that only. Okay, then there is a TH is there, padding is 0.75 em. So points of padding is going to be, so from the border space is going to be provided 0.75 em. Okay, so this is for this particular table. For this table we have T body. See, this is T head, this is T body. So T body, it is going to start from here. Okay, so from here to here it is going to be. Okay, T body it is. In T body, background color is another color. It is different. Okay, lightly green. Okay, then border bottom, here it is again. The problem is the height is being given here. Because of that, what happens, you cannot able to see the border. Okay, that 1 pixel is there, you cannot able to see it properly. Then the color for that, total color is, so for this body color is going to be this. You have to see that exactly what color is going to be, because here if you write normal colors, then you can able to identify, otherwise it's difficult to identify, and this number you will be going to get it from that color palette. Okay, then T body for the TDs. So now you can able to see here one thing, border bottom is there. Okay, color is going to be the here, right? So in between that cells, okay, rows, you can able to see one thin line with the white color. Okay, there is